Now this bus won't start. The battery's dead. What can I do? I try and start the ignition key. The battery, they completely had it. Completely had it. It's starting very, very slow. Nope, the battery's crapped itself out. The battery's crapped. The battery is now completely dead again. That's exactly what happened yesterday. We're all going to go over some errors in the Volkswagen Golf. This video we're trying to start the engine. It went like that. When slowly stopping, that 3 rapid clicks, the battery is completely dead. Right from this, I had to jump it off with a boost pack again and jump this bus off. I jumped that piece of junk of a Golf off. It needs to be jump started again. Ridiculous. Why not stop taking you golf on short journeys? Yeah, it does. Yeah, short journeys are ridiculous for a VW Golf. Now I wanted to wait for Mr. Audi to finish what he's doing to jump out the car. Jumps out the Golf. It's blinking ridiculous. Everything was turned off in the vehicle. The radio was off, the lights were off, it wouldn't start. The battery was completely flat. Blinking ridiculous of a Volkswagen Golf. I don't know what's wrong with this Golf at the moment. The battery's dead on it. I don't know when they're going to get rid of it. When they're going to do a video in it again. Once it's started, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's a battery. It hasn't been driven for... Been so cold here in the UK. -2, -1. Not very good for a battery. I've been driven for a long while. That's why I'm not doing anything on the Golf at the moment. I was planning to do one yesterday. The battery was flat. The battery was dead. So, we had to abandon it. That Golf is now dead still. Why the Golf is still dead? Don't know why. I don't know why the Golf is still dead. It did like this. It's on the one over, you can hear it. Number 12. Right, I hear this. That's exactly what happened to our Golf. The battery was completely flat. The door open fine. Any engine on here, engine powered open these doors. They're locked. I locked the doors. That door's open. Let's go shut the door again. The doors work on the air pressure in the air tank of this vehicle. The battery is completely flat. I tried to turn off the RSA switch 2 times, but they put the handbrake on it, you can roll it. Please let the handbrake come off. I put the handbrake on it. It won't do anything, the battery's completely dead. The battery is knackered on this temperature. Right. There's no power to the freaking engine. I don't know what's wrong with this issue. Nah, the battery there's... That's how slow it is. That's how the Golf started yesterday. Now the bike completely flat. No, the battery has completely had it. Now the battery's had it. Now the battery is completely flat. Turn the heating off, it sets off. No, completely flat. Now the batteries. I'm just gonna keep turning the engine, it won't start. It won't start at all. This bus will never start. Is that a gear? Let's dim the lights on the front. The battery's had it, but the battery's had it. Has it worked? No. Let's get out before the battery dies. Oh no! The batteries are dying. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, it's flickering up mad. I'll turn the off light switch off the way. Ooh! Let's turn the ignition switch over. Way too far on my way to go, hold on. So right. That's a lot better. Why does the battery keep going flicking flat? machine, process ticket machine. Let's turn the fan on. The battery on its way out. No, let's turn the fan off. The battery on its way out anyway. The battery's just dead anyway. Battery's completely dead on this bus. Now it's flipping up mad. The battery on its way out. Ah. I can get away with the lights on now. So I can turn the interior light on dim. Now it's still flipping up, piece of junk. Let's go outside the vehicle. That's working. No, the battery has had it. The battery is now dead again. I don't know what to do with this piece of junk bus. We're easily costing Polish place. No, the battery had it. The battery had it now, guys. The battery had it. No, the battery's completely had it. So how that's off, all off, ignition off. No, the battery's had it. The battery's had it. Battery's dead again. No, the battery's dead again. Not gonna start. No. Oh my god, I got it running again at last. It was the battery. It was the battery. Nope, it's dead again. Nice game. I hope the Batman fly again. I'll be absolutely livid. It's one. No. If I got this started and I just jump start it off. But I just feel like keep cracking, keep going on the fuel. I hope you feel like if you don't, please like, comment, subscribe. See you later.